Somebody will be slaying like this and she's not going anywhere. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia, and if you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome. I hope you subscribe down below and be part of this family. And if you're an OG subscriber already, welcome boo, I see you. Today I created this really easy to achieve look. I think it's sultry. This is like my everyday go-to look, you know, when I'm trying to look like I didn't do so much, like I woke up like this flawless kind of look. This is what I go for. I think this look is perfect for whatever event. Honestly, this is like my go-to look. I can wear it for a date, I can wear it to work, I can wear it to my clients, anywhere. So I think it's going to be appropriate for you to also for date nights, probably to work and all of that. So I did this look sometime last week, and I asked my snap from an IG fam if you want to see me create a tutorial on it, and so many of you said yes, so I knew I had to stop sleeping and do a tutorial for you guys. And also my hair, I've been getting so many questions about it on Instagram and Snap, and it's really long. Let me show you guys. It's really long. It's like I think the longest length here is 26 inches. I'm quite tall, so you can't really see it, but I really love this hair. I've had it in, I had to fix my hair because I've not fixed my hair in a really long time, like up to 6 months. So I had to fix it on my hair so it's not weak, but I really love how it came out. And yeah, the info for the hair, I got it from Alicia's Hair on Instagram. So that's why, not Instagram, sorry, Alicia's Hair on AliExpress. So that's where I got my hair from, in case you want to get. I think I got everything for close to, I think it was 90,000 or so. But it's really, compared to what I've seen most people sell in Nigeria here, it's better than it. So try and check it out if you're looking for a nice straight hair. I think they have other curly hairs too. But yeah, that's my mini hair review, because I know most of you are still going to ask hair, and that's how I got this hair. So without further rambling and talking too much, if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. Starting out this look, skin prep is important, so I used my lip balm. Now I'm setting my face with the MAC Fix Plus just to hydrate my face. This primer is from Becca and it's a mattifying primer. I'm using that with a brush because it's not nice to apply primer with your hand. This is my Eye Candy Cosmetics Luminaire, and it's supposed to act as a glow underneath my foundation. I really love this stuff. This shade is in the shade Mauritius, and I got it from Shop Eye Candy Cosmetics on Instagram. I'm blending it out with that Nuban Beauty brush rather, I'm sorry. I reviewed it, so if you haven't seen my review, do check that out. My foundations, I'm mixing these two from Lancome and from Twerk London. The Twerk London is in the color 170 and the Lancome is in the shade number 10. I'm using that Nuban Beauty sponge to stipple it in, not sponge, brush to stipple it in rather. So because this look is really easy, you want to focus on your skin work and not your eyeshadow, because we're basically not doing anything on our eyes. So make sure your base is as flawless as possible, as flawless as you can get it. So take your time to blend out your foundation, your highlight and contour, so everything looks seamless without any harsh lines. I'm just doing the usual highlighting and contour. My highlight shade is Fawn from LA Girl, and then my contour shade is I think Suede Mocha from Black Opal. This brush set is really versatile. Like if you're looking for a good brush set, try this out. And I'm also using their blender from Nuban Beauty. Brushing those brows into place. This method will save you a ton of time when doing your brows. Just try it out. Conceal underneath your brows, go ahead to finish your makeup, then come back and fill it in with any brow gel you're using or whatever. It's really easy. I'm using my Patrick's powder. It's really fine and it helps me just set everything basically like a normal setting powder. This contour shade is Cacao from Maybelline, I think, and this shade from Iman is Earth Deep or something like that. So I'm using that to blend all my face together, my whole makeup. This step now, blending your powder, is very important because it helps you make sure that you have a flawless finish. And the brow routine is so easy, as you can see. I just filled it in, drawing straight lines and then filling it in gradually. and then a very tiny baby liner to complete the look. I normally don't do liner all the time, but I just wanted to be fancy for YouTube basically. Now I'm going to open up my inner corner using that eyeshadow and apply lashes and mascara too. Lashes today for some reason was a struggle for me, but I overcame by the blood of the lamb. Going in with some La Peach from Jackie Aina and Artist Couture collaboration. I really love this highlighter. And my lips, I'm using my not Maybelline. Oh my goodness, Milani. Yeah, I'm using my Milani lipstick and my Teos lipstick as my outline, and I'm using just a random gloss. Gloss just makes everything look so yummy. And then this gloss is from Beauty by AD. I love it so much, and it's their peach one, and I'm using that just in the middle. Yeah, so this is the finished look, guys. Let me go fix my hair and I'll be right back. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and it's easy enough for you to follow through, and it's easy enough for you to like do in case you're looking for what to do for work, school, going out on a date night, or whatever it is that you wanted to see this tutorial for. I hope it's easy enough for you to follow through. Please, if you have any more questions, comment down below and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe, Biko. I'm begging you, subscribe to my channel. To mean the world to me, and I'll see all you lovelies in my next video. Bye guys.